Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy euros through Fidelity. If you are planning to travel to Europe or need euros for any other reason, Fidelity offers a convenient way to access foreign currency. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to purchase euros using Fidelity services. First, you will need to log into your Fidelity account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the foreign currency section in the trading menu. Here, you will find various options for purchasing foreign currencies, including euros. Next, select euros from the list of available currencies. You will typically be asked to enter the amount you wish to purchase. Make sure to check the current exchange rates as they can fluctuate. Fidelity should provide you with the total cost in US dollars for the amount of euros you want to buy. Finally, review the transaction details and confirm your purchase. Depending on your preferences, you may choose to have the euros delivered to your home or to pick them up at a local Fidelity office. Make sure to follow any additional prompts to complete your order. Once you have confirmed the purchase, you will receive a confirmation email with all the details. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to buy euros through Fidelity.